Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Coach Rocky, the Garage Boy. This episode we talk about is a wireless switch button for your slide door for Odyssey, Honda Odyssey, and install into the handle. So where's the handle? The handle is at the front on the right hand side and the left hand side on the middle seat part. What they come with? They come with a bypass controller. This for the wireless. So when people see wireless is so good, so how wireless work? So look at here. So this one is plugged into the handle. What we need to do is got a battery to run it. So battery is not in there because they sent by Express. So they're gonna take the battery off. So when I'm here, I'm gonna buy one. So what you need to buy is 1632 or 1620. 1620 is thinner. 1632 is exactly what they're looking for. Is thicker. I can't buy any 1632 before, so I just get this one. It's the same size, but what we need to do is push this little adjustment bar, the battery adjustment bar, pushing down to make sure the battery is not moving. You click on this button, you can't see any lighting, like no active. So once you put this battery in, make sure battery not moving, yeah? So it's not moving. They don't gonna move anyway because you're gonna steer like this way. So once I press the button, see you see any light? There's a little blue light there. So that means they work, yeah? Okay. So check on this one. Also work. Right now we're gonna install this and this into the car under the steering. So this is what happened. So if I sit at the back, I'm gonna open this door. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. So when you're sitting too close, or maybe some kid like mine, one like 4 or 5 years old, they sit on the car seat, they can't close the door, or you don't have time to close, you're gonna bend your body. So you're gonna bend your body, reach it. Your hand also bend over and try to touch it. If you sit too forward, it's so hard to get this handle. This is the problem. So I don't really like it too. I try to find a way, but now they change the button here, so you just click on it and then change it. Let's do it. So now where we're gonna find this spot. That one, yeah. We're gonna take that off and put the bypass one. So that one, yeah. Pretty easy. Reach. Make sure the car is off all the electric. So this is the bypass. There's the controller bypass they give us. So one female and one male. So plug this one in. And plug the other end in, the grey one. Put that one in. Hit it quick. So the other one, this one is for the wireless control. So we're going to push down there because we're going to go into the. This is the second one. So we're going to plug this one in and this one put in the fuse box. That's it. Not that hard. So I'm going to get the fuse. Cut this in. Done. So this box is going to hide inside there because you won't use it anymore. You couldn't use it anymore. fun. Don't break anything. So they're quite good. They both sides got the knock, so they don't come out. So the only thing that you need to change the battery. That's it. Put it back on. I'm sure they fit all the car in the world of all the Odyssey. So this is making design in China. I haven't seen this in Japan before. They got black color also out. So silver look good too because it's a silver thing there. Okay, let's practice. Oh my god, it feels so good. So again, we do this before after. So we'll see here. We're gonna close it. We're gonna open this door. There's no handle anymore. So we're gonna click on this. Dun dun dun. So no more these bending arms and hands. So what I do is close the door. Open it up. Oh, awesome. When you get out the car, you don't need to kick on this one anymore. Now you just want to kick on here. Bye bye bye. But of course, when you open the door, you still need here. I saw a Taiwanese guy have a button here. I'm thinking to do this button here as well, but it's not. So here, awesome. See you. Demo station with Belinda with this button. Do you like this one?
Yeah.
More comfy, more convenience, easier? Okay. What's the button? This one is close?
Yeah.
Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this episode, subscribe, like and sharing. This is Coach Rocky. 我有身材，下次見啦，拜拜。